Well, hello everyone. I hope you all are doing well. Today I am teaching you hot pink tips nail art design Valentine Day 2023 as well. This way my flurry take on the classic French tip design. Nail artist Cecily Elise tells the pop of neon, pink and crystal accents allow the nails to still be simple with a bit of edge. To get this look at home, use a fine line brush and a vivid pink polish like Orle Neon Hut to create V-shaped tips. Then apply two sparkly appliques to the nails of your choosing. Style number 2, pink ombre huts. This memorizing ombre design was completely hand painted by Smith. No big deal. I started off with two dots, then using a nail art brush, drag the bottom of the dots into a triangle shape, giving way to the perfect heart every single time. I explain my techniques in this video. For this design, it's essential to use colors that are very pigmented. For the darkest pink shade, might we suggest SE string of things, and for the base shade, we recommended Zoya's Brickton, a beautiful pink node with the microparticles of glitters. Our next design is Rainbow Hearts tip. Just because it's Valentine Day does not mean you need to stick to red and pink nail colors only. This whimsical design by Lacey of the Nail Room Charts and Company in London can be easily recreated at home using colors you already have in your collection. Start by painting your nails with a node or every polish, and then create your heart tips using a stencil like for guidance. Finish by applying a glossy top coat to add shine and prevent chipping. Thank you very much for watching my video. Take care. Bye.